Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure your line is eligible and funded. That avoids service blocks abroad. Once done, open the My Airtel app or dial the activation code to request international roaming. Make the selection for the country or global pass immediately so provisioning can start. Also, enable data roaming in your phone settings and allow SMS permissions. These let the carrier push the activation. Finally, restart the phone so the network can register the new roaming profile and detect partner operators. Next, pick the pack that matches your travel length and data needs because cost scales fast. Daily passes suit short trips while monthly packs reduce per day rates. Once purchased, install the eSIM profile or confirm physical SIM provisioning if required. This is why you restarted earlier. Make sure APN settings match Airtel's roaming profile if data doesn't connect. Keep network selection on automatic so your phone chooses the preferred partner. This minimizes manual reconfiguration and prevents. Finally, verify service by sending an SMS and opening a web page. Check your roaming pack is active in My Airtel so charges apply correctly. Make sure to reduce background app data, set a daily limit, and prefer Wi-Fi for heavy tasks. This controls costs. If you see no signal, toggle airplane mode for 10 seconds, then try manual network selection of the listed partner. If that fails, restart and confirm IMEI and account status with customer care. Keep receipts and note timestamps for disputes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.